Happy holidays! Today, we're going to do a very festive visual math problem. We're going to look at these Christmas cookies, these wreaths, and this snow globe. We're going to try to figure out what each item represents. I love these problems because you can actually start in different places and get to the same answers. You can also use different strategies. I'm going to put a timer up here in the corner just so you know how long you have to work on this before I go over the answer. The best part about this is you can pause this video at any time in case you need extra time to solve this. The best mathematicians take their time and make sure that they get the problem correct. All right, I'm going to start at the top. Cookie plus cookie equals wreath. I don't actually know what any of those represents, so I'm going to go on to the next problem. Snow globe times 3 equals 18. What number times 3 equals 18? 6. So now I know the snow globe represents 6. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. Wreath plus wreath equals 40. What number added together 2 times equals 40? 20. 20 plus 20 equals 40. So the wreath represents 20. Now let's go back up to the first problem. Cookie plus cookie equals wreath. So now we know the wreath represents 20. What plus what that's the same number equals 20? 10. So the Christmas cookies represent 10. Did you get it correct? If you want more puzzles like this, make sure you like and follow. We'll put out new puzzles like this for you to try to solve.